All right, so we are looking at AERO USD. AERO is a project that I had invested into. I actually took an entry. My first entry here was at around 13 cents. All right, so it was when it broke this high, took it all the way up, and I scaled in along the way. And AERO is moving the way that I'm expecting it to move. So ICT concepts are somewhat working on this token. The reason why I'm saying that is because it's filling in all the fair value gaps. It's respecting it. It's respecting order blocks. It's respecting mitigation blocks and all of that. So I'm just gonna go over some charting on AERO real quick, and then I'll show you all my position. I scaled in around here, and the reason why I scaled in around here is because I knew that price would drop. Okay, so at this high here, at the high of 67 cents, it displaced down, and I saw this as a mitigation block and this fair value gap, and I immediately knew that price would not go above this block, this area right here. The reason why I knew that is because it's a mitigation block, right? And the mitigation block and the fair value gap is in line, and price definitely respected that gray box, that area. The reason why I entered or scaled in around this area is because of the concept of discount and premium. Low of this leg to the top, I took a fib, and 50% equilibrium level was around 34,932. To be precise, it was 34,872. So I actually had buy limit orders in at 35 cents. All right. The concept of discount and premium is that anything below 50% level is at a discount. Anything above the 50% level is at a premium. So buying from a premium level wouldn't be advisable, right? Again, this is for entertainment purposes only. This is not financial advice. So y'all got to do your own due diligence and do your own technical analysis. But I had enough conviction for me to scale in around a 35-cent level here. Now, in my prediction, I can see this moving up a lot higher. I'm not sure where. If I did, then I'd have a crystal ball and I'd be completely loaded. But normally during a bull cycle, crypto moves really high, really fast. So if I took this manipulation leg from here to here, to the bottom of this manipulation leg, and I follow the same concepts that I use on my futures side, then the next area where I think price will hit and retrace will be between 220 and 148. All right. So from this manipulation leg, this is where I think price will hit and then kind of retrace back for another entry. Ultimate target for me is going to be the 4.5 fib, which is 7 to 10. Now, that's going to be a very long stretch, and the bull market is not done yet. If you look at Bitcoin has been on a tear recently, and it has not finished. All right. So BTC halving cycle, the Bitcoin halving cycle begins Monday, the 14th in April, right? So normally we'll see price move up, kind of consolidate a little bit, and then shoot back up to all-time highs. If we take the fib from this manipulation leg to this manipulation leg, yeah, it's a little bit high. All right, so I wouldn't say it's going to be about 300K. I mean, anything is possible. It definitely could, but who knows? I'm expecting it to at least hit 100K. Okay, at least 100K. 300K isn't too far-fetched if many things happen. The reason why I'm very bullish on altcoins right now is because the halving cycle hasn't started. We're having a very bullish move, and price looks very good. If you want to follow me on my futures trading journey, please subscribe if you like this video, then hit the like button. Leave a comment on what other technical analysis you would like to see on which other tokens. But right now, AERO looks pretty good. All right, AERO looks pretty good to hit at least 1.48 to 2.0 Arkham is another project that I invested into. So let's look at the Arkham charts right now. So currently, from this leg up, we are at a huge premium. If price doesn't continue up, then we are at a huge premium. The next area where I could potentially scale in again is going to be around the $1.20 level. Okay, so let's mark that out. It was within this fair value gap. There's a fair value gap here that price is kind of respecting. So $1.20 isn't that far. All right, so if price does correct, this will be a good area to scale into, in my opinion. Price looks pretty good, right? I mean, it looks like we're in a market maker buy model at the moment. So, I mean, I'm expecting price to continue to head up. So if we took the manipulation leg from here to here, I am actually expecting price to reach around $4, between $3.50 and $4, to retrace back down for another entry and ultimately hit $7, $6, $7. So this is my AERO position here. All-time return so far is about 2K. I have invested about 3.6K total. Average price is about 30. It's because I scaled in around the 35 level, but my first order was at 14 cents. So that's when I started buying. But yeah, I mean, if y'all want me to do some technical analysis on some other tokens or other crypto, let me know. Leave a comment below. Please like, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all later.